Hello everybody, this is Greg, and so today what I want to show you, I was able to find this yesterday in the garbage, like in recycles. My neighbors were throwing away these two buddies, and so pretty much what I'm able to do, I'm able to use this as a dress form to sculpt male and female contour shapes, you know? So I'll be able to use this for like even some painting and also for some masking tape art as well. But first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and clean these up so you'll be able to see how cool it is that they're nice and clean, because right now they're kind of dirty. So I have some wet wipes. I'm going to use the wet wipes to clean them up. Let's do that right now. So, clean them up. Because then we can use this to do all kind of stuff too. We can make some masking tape art. We can make some I can also make dress forms and do some crochet stuff as well. Let's do that with this. Right. So this is not the typical, like when I say that, as a matter of fact, my arms and legs are much bigger than the torsos. And also there's really nobody I know who's this size. What we could do, we can make shapewear stuff that can be useful in the future. As I mentioned, I could practice body painting art on the contour. Let's see on the back. Yeah, there it is. See that? It's been like this, whatever it was, like outside foot forever. You see that? Ew. Next one. Let me pause this for a second and get some more wipes. I'm going to take a moment and say, whatever channel you're watching this on, please like and subscribe and follow us for more, because you know what, it's the only way we could make content, so we could continue to do cool art stuff, and you can see more art stuff if you just like whatever channel that you're on, you know, whatever it is. Please like and subscribe to our channel. All right, thank you. Okay, so where were we? We were right here. Okay, first and foremost, I'm going to finish up this guy here. Call him Jack. Jack. Bye, Jack. Jack. We took a class, an art class, a sewing class. You know, I guess I could go to the sewing class, but just don't want to use this stuff. I should just keep going. There's more stuff to make in the sewing class. Another one. Alright, so let's go to the view. Yep. Alrighty, so here you have it. Put this under here so it doesn't fall. So here you have it, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill completed here, so you have it. So pretty much I was able to get this and then I cleaned it up. All the dirty wipes into the garbage. So now they're all ready for if I'm going to use masking tape, or if I'm going to do shrink wrap, or pretty much whatever help me with whatever outfits or things I hope to make in terms of for the rest of the year. We'll see how that works out. Alright, so that's pretty much this is it. Just wanted to show you guys doing this, and thank you so much for watching. Again, once again, please like and subscribe to whatever channel you're watching on this. If you're on Instagram or Facebook or Patreon, please definitely follow me. Links are in the bios. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.